Hi, this is our BOM automated document solution. This is a new design that we put together using new technology with some existing technology that we've had in place for 40 plus years. What do we mean by that? We have some of our gathering solutions that we've incorporated to the size into our BOM 714, which many of you know has been around 40 plus years. In the gathering unit, we can gather anywhere from 1 to 5 pages, or it can also be a pass-through if need be. From the gathering unit, you can do a half fold, Z fold, letter fold. You can exit out on a simple belt over belt conveyor into a box, which is used in many order fulfillment houses. It could also go out into one of our stackers. You know, we have a rollaway stacker, 6-foot stacker, etc. We're going to go ahead and give you a demo. Demo, you're going to see we're gathering 5 pages at a time. So it's printing. Over 5 pages. We have a pusher where they stay together.